Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Comfort Suites Old Town Spring. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Comfort Suites Old Town Spring offers suites with free Wi-Fi and a flat-screen cable TV. It features an outdoor pool and is just 2.3 miles from Splashtown Water Park. Offering simple decor, all suites at the Comfort Suites Old Town Spring are furnished with a large work desk and a sofa bed. A refrigerator, microwave and coffee maker are provided in every room. Guests can enjoy poolside seating on the sun deck or relax in the hotel's jacuzzi. This hotel offers a free fitness room and a business center is on site. Comfort Suites Old Town Springs provides an American breakfast each morning. Mercer Botanical Garden is 4.3 miles from this hotel and Windrose Golf Club is a 15-minute drive away. The George Bush Intercontinental Airport is 8.4 miles from the Comfort Suites Old Town Spring. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.